Friends, I welcome you for Metro Samvad by Nagpur Metro Railway Corporation Limited. We were eagerly awaiting for this opportunity to have a program with NMRCL, and we are very pleased to tell you that this will be more or less on the vendor development side of the NMRCL, which actually major which will majorly benefit Nagpur. I'll not take much time. I request Sri Atulji Pandey, President VI, to welcome with a floral bouquet Sri Sunil Mathur, Director, Rolling Stocks and Systems. Sri Vinod Kumar Nagar, Joint Manager Stores, Joint GM Stores. Sri S.M. Apte, Deputy GM PRO. I invite our President, Sri Atulji Pandey, for opening remarks.
Good evening, friends. While I welcome you all in this August gathering, which was probably much awaited after Sri Brijesh Dikshitji's visit to VIA, wherein he was very categorical that such huge investments coming to this region, the entrepreneurs and industrial fraternity of this region must get full advantage of these investments, and he has kept his promise. Mr. Mathur is here with us, along with Mr. Nagar and Mr. Apte, to kickstart the process of vendor registration, to orient you about the kind of requirements that they're going to have for this entire project, which is going to take about 3 years' time from now, about 2018, so let's say about 2.5 years' time. And friends, we at Vidarbha Industry Association have always been eager to attract investments in this region, primarily for the benefit of our entrepreneurs. And this was a godsend opportunity when almost 6,000 to 8,000 crores worth of investments coming in the transport sector, offering wonderful opportunity to engineering units, electronics units who would be interested in maybe gadgetries like CCTV cameras and host of equipments. Friends, not only this, we as VIA also look forward to this region being developed as a hub, specializing into metro railway supplies, because after Nagpur, we should not be surprised if in a couple of years' time we also see announcements coming in for Indore, Bhopal. I mean, in about 300-400 kilometers radius, there could be not only Nagpur Metro, but there could be Bhopal Metro, Raipur Metro, Indore Metro, and these kind of projects coming up in our vicinity, I would say. And if we enter this particular industry now, if we make a humble beginning with Nagpur Metro here, the opportunities would be certainly manifold in years to come. The objective of today's program is to orient you about the kind of requirements that this project is going to have. All the seniors are here. They will tell us about the processes involved for vendor registrations. We would even go to the extent of organizing a periodical review kind of a meeting with this project, with Nagpur Metro authorities on a regular basis for their vendor development program, And whatever be the difficulties being experienced by the local industries here, we will try and ensure that they are all kind of addressed in time, much in time. At this juncture, I must also make a very special mention about startups, because those youngsters who are on a lookout for opportunities, they must really study this entire project and try and identify opportunities for themselves. Even the service sector, not necessarily that you are into manufacturing, even in the service sector, friends, there would be wonderful opportunities being offered by Nagpur Metro Railway. So with these words, I welcome all of you this evening, and along with you, even I look forward to a presentation from the project officials here who would tell us more about the project and the kind of opportunities that we have before us. Thank you so much.
In the beginning of program, we'll have a presentation, a short film on Nagpur Metro, and then it will be followed by a question-answer session. And before the presentation, before just beginning of the presentation, and then there is one short, around 50-60 second clip of E. Sridharan talking about Nagpur Metro. Today we have with us Sri Sunil Mathur, Director Rolling Stock, Nagpur Metro Rail Corporation. He is B.Tech from IIT Kanpur, joined Indian Railway Services of Engineers in 1984, and he has worked in various capacities in metro, in railways. And one of the important fact is he's spent around 15 to 16 years in Maharashtra. He was earlier working with Central Railway, then Western Railway, a vast experience of working with suburban transport of Bombay. So we are lucky that we have a person who is having such a vast experience. He has worked all over the India, and at Nagpur Metro we are certainly looking forward for more and more input and more leadership inputs from him. And with this, I think we should begin with the presentation of the film.
Nagpur, a historical city, upholds 400 years of cultural heritage in its heart. Founded by the Gond king, Raja Bakht Buland Shah, it remained a seat of power under Bhosle's for long. Later, during the British period, it was declared as the capital of Central Provinces and Berar. After independence, it became the second capital of Maharashtra. This city also has the geographical center of the country, the monument of Zero Mile. The north-south and east-west corridor of the national highways cross here, providing a very good natural choice for the alignment of elevated corridors of the new metro rail on the median. The Nagpur Metro project was sanctioned in August 2014. The Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, laid its foundation stone on the 21st of August 2014.
जिस तेजी से नागपुर आगे बढ़ रहा है, नागपुर में भी ये मेट्रो रेल की आवश्यकता है.
The Nagpur Metro Rail Corporation Limited was incorporated in February 2015. Considering the desperate need to improve the public transport system in the city, where only 9% of the people travel by public transport. The industrial areas in the west and the south side need to be connected to the residential areas in the east and north side of the city, along with the commercial areas in the middle. There are total 36 metro stations proposed on these corridors. These corridors will connect all major modes of transport to the residential population. The intersection point of these corridors at the Sita Bardi Munje Chowk is proposed to be an iconic high-rise metro tower. The architecture of stations will reflect the rich cultural heritage of Nagpur. Nagpur Metro will be the greenest metro of all metros. 65% of the energy needs of Nagpur Metro will be met by solar energy. Other distinguished features of Nagpur Metro include adoption of internationally acclaimed digital project management technique of 5-dimensional BIM and provision of an efficient and environment-friendly feeder bus service to provide first and last mile connectivity. Nagpur Metro has the distinction of having revenue streams by way of transit-oriented development under which the density of population along the metro corridors will increase an additional stamp duty of 1%. NMRCL is making all-out efforts for exploring additional sources of revenue for real estate development and advertisement, etc. Efforts are also towards a creative arrangement with banking institutions to share cost of automatic fare collection system through co-branded smart common mobility cards. Nagpur Metro's orange color logo represents the true essence of the Orange City, while the byline Majhi Metro conveys that the metro belongs to every citizen of the city. It has also started the drive of making Metro Mitras for bringing people closer to it, using the full potential of social media. The Facebook page of Nagpur Metro, having 1.5 lakh likes, is the testament to the same. In a very short span of time, Nagpur Metro has been able to acquire 77% of the total land requirement of 87 hectares with a very active support from the civil administration. In this time span, Nagpur Metro has been able to tie up external bilateral loans of 4,521 crores from KfW Germany and AFD France with the help of Government of Maharashtra and Government of India. Agreements with them will be signed by March 2016.
Progress of Nagpur Metro project right now is ahead of target. By March 16, our civil works will be in progress in about 20 kilometer length, which is more than 50% of alignment.
Nagpur Metro is committed to provide urban mass transit facility of international standard to the citizens of Nagpur, which is safe, world-class, easily accessible, comfortable, user-friendly, energy-efficient and environment-friendly, with full support of the public. The metro projects are in progress in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, and they are being planned in Pune, Thane and Nashik in the state of Maharashtra.
नागपूर मेट्रोमध्ये आता विकासाला एरियात सुरुवात पण झालेली आहे. हे प्लॅन डेव्हलपमेंट होणार आहे आणि त्यामुळे त्या लोकांच्या सोयीकरता मेट्रो होणं अतिशय आवश्यक आहे. मला विश्वास आहे की देशामध्ये ज्या काही मेट्रो तयार झाल्या आहेत त्यात सर्वात कमी खर्चाची मेट्रो ही नागपूरची मेट्रो तयार होईल.
Currently, there are 12 metros under construction in the country, and Nagpur Metro is one of the last to join the bandwagon. But as I see today, Nagpur Metro has made tremendous strides with all initial planning, particularly the land acquisition, mobilization of funds, finalizing the external funding agency, awarding the contracts. They have started very well, and they have an ambition to open the first section of the metro within the next 1.5 years. I think the way metro work has been organized, they should be able to complete this according to that time schedule and give the taste of the metro to the public in time. Presently, there are 12
On our website, the information regarding vendor development is available. I would like to show that. So you can easily access our website and download the formats. Besides that, there is a complete list of the items available. Then also the list of approved vendor. If you are having a similar product, you can also join it. You are welcome to do that. We have bifurcated the list into various disciplines. Some components are related to electrical side. Then we have civil side likewise. So you can easily access the website and get the information. And after this, I would like to request Sri Mathur sir to speak a word, and then we can start our question answer session.
Friends, a very good evening to you all. I am really fortunate to have an opportunity to interact with you people, and I'll try to explain to you what exactly is the scope of work in metro construction and what are the areas where we can look forward to have a joint cooperation where Nagpur city can think of having some sort of industrial units and subsidiary, etc., for further growth of the city. Presently we are in the planning and a bit of construction stage in the metro program. A few civil works have started, and we are issuing tenders for the other areas like signaling and telecom, rolling stock, etc. I'll first briefly tell you about what all consists of our scope of work while